So I found the memo tubes when I was researching my options on contractors used to repair my windows. I went online and I read a number of reviews on the memo tubes about how warm and inviting and friendly John and his crew were. I thought the team was great. Once again, no sales pressure tactics. All the prices were transparent and I didn't feel like I needed to make a choice. And I thought that it was a very refreshing take from some of the other companies I looked into. Oh, the installation was great. So the team came over and they were very early, very prompt and on time. Everyone was very kind. They came in and respected my property. Overall, I almost felt like they weren't in my house. I was still here as they finished everything. Yes, I definitely recommend the memo tools to any and all people who are interested. Just a very warm, inviting family atmosphere.